I know, y'all, it's been a minute. By the title, y'all can tell what is about to happen. So, you know, June is Pride Month. So first I'm Black, and then I'm in the LGBT plus community. But you know, it's not Black History Month, not till February. But yeah, so I really wanted to do this tutorial and tutorials, I should say, because, you know, it's been a minute since I've done tutorials. I haven't really been in the mood to do makeup as much as like I want to, but I'm starting to get back in the zone and kind of feeling like, okay, I can do tutorials again. Yeah, things are still going on at the house, but you know, I have to keep pushing forward and stay positive, and I have to, you know, shout out my community for their month. Okay, how you doing? Okay, okay. But yes, I wanted to tell you guys that I'm going to be doing Pride serious tutorials. So I'm going to be dropping a tutorial one each week for the month of June. And it's great because it's literally the month before my birthday month. And I'm just very excited to do this and get my hands back into the art of makeup and just kind of, you know, dive back in. And plus, a lot of people have been wondering where my tutorials are since I've been pretty much just kind of pushing out vlogs and stuff like that. I know, right? But I did want to come by and tell you guys that this is my little series for the month of June for Pride Month, and I just wanted to show lots of love, even though Pride for me personally is 365. But you know, I don't go around with necessarily a flag, a rainbow flag or anything. I don't feel like it's necessary for my life personally. I don't feel like I have to announce it, you know what I'm trying to say? But if you know me, you know where I stand or something like that. You know what I mean? I'm not secretive about it. I just don't feel the need to put it on my car or like every post on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube. You know, there's more to life than just being in the LGBT plus community. But this month is all about us. So we're gonna move forward. And anyway, though, I want to now thank you guys for taking the time to watch. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, this is my rainbow cut crease. It was something fun. These tutorials are basically like you probably wouldn't be able to wear them to work. These are more geared toward like if you go out, or if you want to do something different. It doesn't just have to be Pride Month, but if you are in Pride Month still, as you're currently watching this video, do know that, you know, these are options, sis. If you want to go to the office, you know, or you know what I mean, like I wouldn't recommend it at the office because it's a bit dramatic. And I put a wing on today. You understand? It's a difference. A wing you can wear to the office, but a wing, you can't wear that to the office. You got to wait till you go out to wear the wing. So you guys, but anyway though, yeah, as I was saying, I just really wanted to do this, like, just in case you don't know what to do for Pride, you want to do something different, or you just want to, you know, have a cute little look and be like, I don't want to do too much, but, you know, every makeup process is the most for me. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, this series that I'm doing this month. And yes, I'm extra. I have a big ass bow on my head because I got it from the thrift store and I've only wore it one time. It was like $1. I mean, it matches my shirt, so why not, right? It reminds me of Minnie Mouse though, now that I'm looking at it. I didn't really think about that. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, and remember, please do share, comment, subscribe, you guys. So I will see you guys next time. Enjoy the video. So I've already used the eyeshadow primer on my eye. I'm gonna start off with a fluffy brush and a MAC paint pot. I believe it's just the color white, I can't remember, but I'm gonna just put that all over my eye. So for each color, I'll be doing the same process, which is spraying the brush that I'm using for that particular color with setting spray first, so it can really pick up the pigment in the color. The first few colors will be out of the palette from Wet n Wild from their Venice Beach, aka Vice City collection. I'll just be using the red and the orange out of that palette. So as you see me start to put the other colors on, I am actually going to be like packing them on top of each other, so when I blend it out, I won't have to blend too much. So now I'm going to take the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place and go into that really pretty yellow. So now I'm going to go back into the Wet n Wild palette I was using earlier. It is called Temporary Solutions, and I'm just going to take that green and pack it on. So now I'm going to go into another palette, which is also from the same collection by Wet n Wild, but this one is called High Flying Colors. I will be using the blue and the purple out of this palette. So now to really create and define my cut crease, I'm going to go back into the paint pot and just really shape out the crease look I want it to be. I'm going to make it a little bit lower than my actual crease since my real crease is very tiny. So now I'm just going to take a blending brush and blend it all together to make sure they're all in unison. So for my lid color, I really wanted to do something like kind of gold. So I'm going to take the Diamond Glow powder by Artist Couture in the color Conceited and apply that all over my lid. So now I'm just going to apply the Becca highlighter in rose gold to my brow bone. So now I'm going to do my eyeliner. I'm using the Fenty Fly Liner in the color Cause I'm Black. And you're going to see me do this and it's not going to come out exactly like I wanted it to. So towards the end, I'm going to actually clean it up with a little concealer so it has a little bit more of a point to it. So now I'm just going to take my mascara and apply it to my top and bottom lashes. So now I'm going to take the NYX Wonder Pencil in the color Dark and just apply it to my waterline. So now I'm going to take the color by Temptress. It's called Fool's Gold, and I'm going to apply that to my inner corner. So now I'm going to, air dry my lashes for a little bit, but these are the Ardell lashes in number 113. I don't like to blow on my lashes. I just have a thing about it. So now I'm just dusting off the powder I was using to bake, and I am going to go in to contour my nose and my face with the Lancome Color Design in the color Stone. It is an eyeshadow, but I really like it as a contour powder. So for my face powder, I'm using the True Match Super Blendable Powder by L'Oreal in the color C8 Cocoa. So for my blush, you guys, I'm going to use the Afrique Blush by Juvia's Place in the color Bella. It's this gorgeous, like, deep orange color. So for my favorite part, you guys know I love highlight. This is Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty, of course. So for my lipstick, you guys, I'm going to be using Juvia's Place matte lipstick in the color Soil. And for my liner, I'm going to be using the Sephora waterproof retractable liner in the color Matte Brown Black. So that is it for this tutorial, guys. This is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.